Hello everybody, hope you're all doing well today. So today I've got some work to do on the greasy 6 leaker back here. As you guys who follow the channel already know, had some work done to her recently, some body work, so she's looking good. But this caliper is hanging up on me, so we're gonna replace the front rotors, pads, and calipers on both sides. And yeah, so we're gonna get that done today. I'm gonna pull it in the garage, and I think I'm going to I'm actually gonna turn the heat on today. It's a little bit colder than it's been in a while here, so get the heat running, get this thing up in the air, and yeah, let's get to it. Okay, I'm sure most of you watching know how to do this already, but seeing as we're replacing the caliper, you've got to remove the line here. I've got it clamped off with a hose clamp vice grips. That way fluid won't keep coming out of here. As you can see, some fluid leaked on the floor. That's probably just what's in the caliper yet. But anyways, you're gonna have a little a bolt with a copper washer on it, and that's gonna hold your line in. So you remove that, have this clamped off, and then this will come off. I gotta get a little flathead or something, it's just corroded on there. But anyways, you disconnect that line, then you remove bolt down here, this whole caliper comes off, and you put the new one on along with the new rotor and new brake pads. So yeah, like I said, most of you probably know how to do this already, but I figured for those of you that don't and are just watching, that's what's going on here. So let's keep moving on and let's get to it. So we got our new parts over here. These are the new calipers. Got new brake pads. Those look good. Some grease. Here's the new rotors. One of them at least. Look at that. Nothing better than brand new brakes, right? So I'm gonna take this outside real quick. There's a lining that they put on them for transportation and storage so that they don't rust. So I'm gonna take these outside. I'm gonna spray them off with some brake clean, and then we'll get them on the truck right away. So let's get to it. Look at that. That is a good looking sight. Brand new rotors. Can't beat that for sure. Okay, so now let's take a look at these calipers once. So here's one of them. I'm not sure what side I'm looking at here. So these are actually reman Ford calipers, it looks like. That's pretty cool. I didn't even know that. I thought that they were aftermarket. Okay, so I believe that this is the side we need. So I'm gonna take the actual caliper off the bracket. I'm gonna install the bracket on the truck first. That'll make it easier for putting the pads on and whatnot. Got this side done. It looks great. You might have noticed there's hardware that goes on your calipers there. I never use it. Okay, I don't know if that's a bad thing or not, but I anti-seize the crap out of the ends and the backs of the pads, and I have had no issues doing it that way. I feel like it, they move easier. I don't know. But regardless, this thing is all done on this side. I've got the line back on, brand new copper washers. So all that's left to do now is the other side. So let's get to it. I think that these brake pads are probably done. I'd say. Okay, so in case you didn't see it very well, here's a better look. These things are absolutely roached. There's nothing left. So this one's bad, but still actually had a little bit of the brake pad material left. Whereas this one, this was down to the metal. So yeah, obviously not ideal for sure. Look at this rotor. She's roached too. I mean, this is probably the worst brakes I've seen in a long time. And I knew these brakes were bad, and I was planning on, doing the whole calipers, rotors, everything. So I just, drove them hard until they wouldn't drive anymore. So that's where we're at, and the new rotors, pads, and calipers are on, and it looks great. So next step, I'm gonna wait for my dad to get home. We're gonna bleed the brakes, and then we're gonna take it for a test drive and make sure everything checks out. So let's get to it. Okay, so it's a few days later. I got a little bit sidetracked and forgot to finish up the video, but yeah, truck is done. The brakes are bled. Everything's good. They feel great, and she's ready to go. So that should do it for today's video, or this video. It's not really the same day, but anyways, if you enjoyed, be sure to subscribe and give this video a like, and stay tuned for more content. So thanks for watching.